Welcome back to the Half Thumb Homestead. I want to give you my personal review on the Midea U-shaped air conditioner. It separates the hot from the cold, kind of like a mini split. This is an 8,000 BTU inverter unit, which means it's basically a variable speed compressor. Inverter is just a fancy way of saying variable speed. This thing is fantastic. The other day it was 97 degrees, 85% humidity. I started this up about 7 o'clock and it was cool within 30 minutes. This unit's pretty awesome. It has the ability to swing the air back and forth, modulate it. It has a lot of pressure coming out of it. The airflow is really good. I don't know what the CFM is on it, but it's actually very, very nice. My last unit was just a basic window unit and I couldn't feel the wind at the front of the van. This one I can. You can go from Fahrenheit, Celsius. The remote, probably a bit overcomplicated. You have LED, you can shut it off at night, timer, you can make it nighttime, you can have auto, cool, dry, fan. There's no heat mode on this one. And it's also Bluetooth compatible. I normally turn off the eco so it continues running, but you can have it in cool mode with the fan in auto. You can have it in full auto, or you can just have it in cool and adjust the fan speed. Overall, the Midea makes a great unit. I highly recommend it. For the 400 bucks, maybe $500 they run now, they are awesome. Got any questions? Comment below. Want to buy this unit? Check out the description. Half thumb out.